came back with yet another video. And no clue what I'm gonna do today. Maybe get netherite armor for show. But I did AFK at my farm a little bit last night. And by a little bit, I mean all night. They should be gone. Watch this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, you see that? Boom. Absolutely shreked, bro. Alright. Let's... That is a lot better than I thought it was gonna do. I truly did not think that was gonna do good at all. But even though my computer, my game crashed like halfway through the night and I didn't realize it until I woke up. Grab some redstone resources and make a sand duper. It's for TNT. But yes sir. Alright. I'm gonna go make this all into firework rockets real fast. Pew pew. You know, let's make a flight. Alright. So now these are primarily flight duration 3 except for one stack. Okay, so should I trying to think if I should make a sheep farm or not. Because I know the rough-ish... Hold on. I need to look it up real fast. From now on, if you don't like farm building videos, you're gonna have to deal with it, because that's what I'm going to be doing for the next few episodes of this lovely world. But other than that, yeah, because I'm honestly surprised my creeper farm worked, and I don't want to take any more risks. The farm's not working. Okay, hold on, I have to watch a video on this. Actually, you know, it's actually really simple to make these, even just based off the reference pictures. Okay, so I need a dispenser, which I need string, which oh wait, did I have string in my inventory? Oh, I don't know where this string came from, but I'm using it. I think I had wood, right? Yep. Okay, so out of all the resources I don't have, or out of all the resources I don't have cobblestone. Okay, so I'm gonna get about a stack of cobblestone. Ooh, lapis. Alright, there we go. That should be enough for like 5 dispensers. Because I'm gonna make 5 like little pods of sheep. One thing I don't like about flight duration 3 is that the flight duration is much too long. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, Mr. Whiskers. Gotta get you a name tag. Don't think I have one yet. Do I have redstone? I don't have a lot, but I sure do have some. Three, 4, 5. Then how do I make a I need quartz, which I do believe I have. a single court. So let's go to the nether. So if I don't die another 50 times. Oh man. Wait, so if I'm standing this far out, no, I still got brought in. Wait. What? No, what before? What the? Ooh. Are you I'll figure that out in a second. I'm just gonna need a ghast to shoot at me. Okay, that should be good. Okay. Ooh, or play the long waiting game. Oh, let's see how long the wood takes to burn. Oh my gosh. No. Let's freaking go, I did it. Oh my gosh. I'm just so good at this game. Gosh, that took freaking forever. Okay. And now we're home. Oh, is that another resource I don't have? Where did all my glass go? Didn't I have a bunch? Whatever. About to go mine some sand. I gotta find a desert. Well, I think it's in this. Actually, I think it might be in this direction. No, it's not. Yeah, that should be good enough. Let's go. Oh, that was almost so perfect. So how many thingies do I got? About that many. Wait, was I actually freaking right? No, I wasn't. Well, so what's like that many thingies? Gotta get. Oh, that's what I needed. I want to expand my creeper farm storage. I don't wanna. Alright. No, I need that. Ooh, wow. Ooh, more iron. Can never go wrong with more iron. Just block that back up. Oh wow, they're all already done. How nice. Okay. Oh, you know what? I will actually be needing more iron anyway. So how many? Oh, I can make 6. That's actually perfect. And now I can fit one right here. One here. Ooh. Whoops. Forgot I didn't have my silk touch pick. And of course, not enough redstone. I swear, with every world I have, it's always redstone. It's literally never anything else. Okay, I'm just gonna go check my chests one more time, just to see if I've gotten anything in them. No, no. Sadly, no. Of course. And yeah. Okay, well, I'll explain somewhat to how this farm works. Most of you probably already know, but I will explain anyway. Alright, so you put the shears in here, even though this one doesn't have redstone. The sheep will eat the grass, and then it'll get a block update, which will go to that observer, in turn going to the dispenser, in turn shearing the sheep. That's basically how it works. See, you hear that? That was the farm getting an update sent to it. I'll go ahead and start getting some sheepies all in here. And no, they do not get food. Bro. Dude. Okay, come on. And I just broke so much redstone. Yippee! Mr. Black Sheep. It's time to... Yeah. No, come here. Look. Yeah, look, yeah. Yep. Got him. We're just gonna pretend like I did not hear that. Because I totally didn't hear that. I totally didn't almost just have a heart attack. I want to make all these sheep white. And then I'll dye them blue. Yes, sir. Oh, wait, you know what I can do? I'm gonna dye them light blue. Oops. Okay, so I gotta get them to be white. Now I gotta dye them blue. Actually, it's a light blue dye. No. Can't dye them yet. Stop freaking eating the grass. Yes, sir. Sheep. Oh, wait. Where did all my dirt go? I mean, my freaking wheat. Oh my god. Why is there always freaking creepers here? Like, bro. I'm about to get a clip. Please don't blow up. You watch this. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, trick shot. Boom. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Oopsies. I didn't die, you did. This world would be like 10 times funnier if I had friends. And we are sleeping! Wait, I don't even know what I was thinking I was gonna do. The creepers are still gonna be there. They're just... yeah. It's just different. Oh, there's two. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be even more annoying. 2 times the sheep, 2 times the annoyance. Bro. Like, y'all see that? You see that? Boom. Bam. Bop. Bam. Bro, why is there like 50 creepers? Please don't fall in. Dang, these sheep are actually kind of smart, not gonna lie. Yeah, if you go in this not super not suspicious hole, you get free food for life. And whoops, shear, die, shear. And then I'm gonna make a, do I have enough iron for, don't think I do, huh? Yeah, I don't have enough iron. Oh! I might need to go back out. Really? Okay. That sucks. Yeah, I have to go back out to go mine some more iron ore. I'm just gonna go to this cave right over here. I'll find some iron probably instantly. Absolutely just juked them out, bro. I'm just better. This is actually kind of cool cave. There's more iron over here. I don't even need that much. I just need enough for a few. Okay, actually I do kind of need a lot. Rails, which I'm just now realizing I need redstone for those. Because I need some powered rails as well. Yay. Whoop whoop. Ow. I barely even touched it, bro. Ooh, promising cave. Ooh, that one's also kind of promising. No, I'm just gonna go. Wait, was this the one that I went down that one time? No, it's not. Ooh, this one goes deep. I'm scared I'm gonna hit a stalagmite thingy. Redstone. Ooh, and diamonds. Okay. I'm gonna get these diamonds, and I'm out of here. Oh, dang. Okay, 2. Oh, man. And I have fortune 3. Oh, boy. How do I get out of this cave? I'm lost. Oh, dear. Oh, okay. Just calm down. Just take it slow. Nope, definitely not the way to get out. I just need to make sure my elytra doesn't break either. Ooh, diamonds, hold on. $17 diamonds. I have found the way. Let's see, which way is the base? Oh, I almost hit the B. That would have been so bad. This was most definitely not the way I came because I'm loading in new chunks. Yeah, I'm loading in new chunks and I don't want to do that, not right now at least. There it is. Lord, she blows. Lando! Let's see, can I make it? Oh my gosh. All of that suspense. Just to not make it. That's actually crazy, bro. Well, let me clear out my inventory just so I know what I need. Yeah, I need that. Need that. Definitely need sticks. Don't really need that, not right now at least. Actually, I do need wood though. Oh, do I need gold? Crap. Ooh, baby, a triple. I only need about 2. Wait, why can't I? Oh. Do I not have the iron? Wait, why can't I make a rail? Wait. Because isn't it just... Oh, wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. And then I need enough for a minecart. Alright. There we go. And in the next video, we will check how much I got from the farm. Yep, see they get sheared immediately. I just gotta make sure just to be safe. Whoops. I mean, whoops. That didn't even make any sense, not even to me. And I thought of the joke. I'm sorry about the pause that I just had to take. I had to go fold some laundry, but I am back. And I'm gonna work on the storage, and then I'll read the end of the video. And I'll be like, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Sorry. Alrighty, I'm just really excited. And it's off, and it should come back. Let's see. I don't know why that one. Oh. Frick. Watch this, I'm a genius. Look how smart I am. Alright, well, that will be it for today. The end of the video. And I hope you guys, and actually, hold on, not the end of the video yet. I will update you guys tomorrow on the next video of how the sheepy farm is doing. But other than that, I want you guys to all have an amazing day, and see you later.